So I've seen this viral cheese stick bread and I said I have to make mine. Oh my goodness, just see how cheesy this bread is. You're going to enjoy this recipe. So the first thing you want to do is to get ready your beef. So I'm using a very simple beef. So if whatever beef you're using, just make sure it has less fat or no fat at all, because fat will make the beef very hard to cook. So just cut that into strip or any other form, or just follow the strip method. And then the next thing you want to do is just to season it. So I'm just going with just the basic seasoning. I'm just adding some seasoning cubes, some garlic powder, and some paprika. So the next thing you want to do is just to add in some lemon juice, very little lemon juice. This is just going to help to tenderize the beef, and just drizzle some oil. So I'm not going to place this in the refrigerator, just sharp and easy. I want to just eat this bread right now. So just mix up everything together until it is combined. So next thing you want to do is just want to heat up your pan, then add in very little oil, and then go in with your beef. So you want to cook your beef until it is ready. So if you're new to my channel, it's good to have you here. My name is Teresa Metsuka. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, turn on your post notification to get notified when I drop new video. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you for stopping by. Do not forget to like, comment, share. Thank you so much. So as my beef is getting ready, the next thing I want to do is just prep from some other few ingredients. So I just have on my table some onions. So you just want to cut your onions into strip, and then the next thing you want to also get ready is some bell pepper. So you can decide to use different variation of red pepper. You can decide to use a red, yellow, green, all of that, but I just basically went with the green. So just cut that into strip and set aside. This is a very simple, delicious recipe. You really have to try this. This tasted so good. So the next thing I want to get ready is my delicious sauce. So into my bowl, I just combine some mayonnaise and then add in some sweet chili sauce. This is actually homemade chili sauce. Add in some lemon juice as well. So just mix up everything together until it is well combined. So I have a video of how to make your own delicious sweet chili sauce. So do well to check the description box for the link to the particular video. You're going to love it. So our beef is ready, so delicious. So the next thing you want to do is just to scoop this out. So we're going to make use of it later. So using the same pan, also do not add any oil to this. So just add in your chopped onion. So you just want to caramelize your onion for like 40 seconds to a minute. So just stir these at interval in order for the onions not to get burnt. So just want to release the natural sweetness of the onions. So just mix that up together. So the next thing you're just going to add in here is your bell peppers. Like I said, you can use different variation of bell peppers, but I'm just going with the green one. So just mix that up together, and you just want to cook this for like 40 seconds, 30 seconds to 40 seconds, and this will be ready. So the next thing you want to do is just want to return the beef back in here, and then just mix up everything together. And then next you're going to go in with is some cheese. So if you want this very cheesy, so add more cheese. So just allow your cheese to melt up together. Ooh, look at that, so cheesy. Oh my goodness, you're going to love this one, I promise you. So make sure you try out this recipe. So the cheese I use here is some mozzarella cheese, because I know it's going to just give me that cheesy effect. So in the viral recipe, they make use of a whole loaf of bread, but for these I'm just going with sliced bread. Add your cheesy meaty filling on the bread, and then next thing you're going to just do is just go in with your sauce. Oh, so delicious, right? So if you want to make use of the whole loaf of bread, so just divide the bread into two, and then just add your filling, add your sauce, and that's it. So I just top up with more cheese. So make sure that is very cheesy. And then next thing you want to do is just to return this back into the pan. So ensure that you still have a little bit of oil on the pan, or you can just add some butter on the bottom of the pan. The next thing you're just going to do is just to rub some butter on top of the bread. This is just going to make your bread taste so delicious. So you just want this to just brown up for some few seconds. So just flip to the other side and make sure both sides are both brown, and for the cheese to melt completely. Oh my goodness, you know this is going to taste so delicious. And just like that, we've made the most delicious cheesy cheese steak. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, do not forget to like, comment, share. Please do share this video, and you can check my other previous recipe. I have lots of amazing stuff in there that you have cheesy that is this taste that so delicious. Bye. I will see you on the flip side. Bye for now. Lots of kisses. Ciao.
When Teresa in the kitchen, not good vibes, sweet smell, and correct taste.